kind of our claim to fame. So we do not invest in any other sector and specialize in healthcare. As part of that business, we look at companies that have achieved market product market fit and are becoming profitable and are looking for additional investment from people like us with deep healthcare expertise and relationships in the customer base to double or triple their revenue and profitability. Some of the investments that we have made are in the software and services companies that focus on health plans, type of companies that focus on health plans. We've also made investments in companies that sell into pharmaceutical sector, such as Pharmaceutical Hub, which is a software platform. And then we've also invested in companies that are focused on healthcare providers, such as clinics, hospitals, post-acute services, which is hospice and palliative care. So as you all know, healthcare is a very, very, very large sector. And what one person means by healthcare is very different from what other person means healthcare. So for some people, healthcare is all about drugs and new medications. For others, healthcare is all about devices such as, pacemakers, etc. But for us, healthcare means services that are used by healthcare providers, services that are used by patients, such as billing, payments, claims, scheduling, etc. So we are focused in that sector. I particularly have been with Fraser for the last 2.5 years, focused on helping them buy companies that are in the patient and provider side of the market. Two of the companies that I sit on the board of, one is called 𝐏𝐫𝐞 Health, which does health plan risk adjustment, which is an extremely large, very complicated, but very profitable business market for health plans. And then the other company I sit on is called RevSpring, which is the largest billing company in healthcare, where for those of you who have encountered the US healthcare system, you know that you get a bill every time you go see a physician, and then they give you an opportunity to pay the bill online. So RevSpring is a company that is the company behind sending you that paper bill and or reminding you via text messages to pay your bill. And then when you go online to pay the bill, we are the company that's behind that payment infrastructure. So healthcare has a very, very large underbelly of things that people don't see, but it costs a lot of money for healthcare providers to provide those services. So we operate in that administrative side of healthcare.